Masters in Management, better known as MIM, has gained immense popularity in Europe, which is emerging as a popular destination among aspirants for this program in particular. In this latest video by Shiksha Study Abroad, let's take a look at the top university for MIM in Europe. With 99% of students being employed within 3 months of their graduation as per Financial Times Ranking 2022, HEC Paris is first on the list. The Masters in Management program offered by HEC Paris is an 18-month-long program. In the first year of the program, candidates learn foundation courses that include case studies, electives, and capstone project, whereas the next 6 months is the specialization phase that is for research paper, business projects, and certificate that is optional. Students can specialize in management and public affairs, management and business law, or management. Wait, there's more. The best part about MIM from HEC is that this course is less expensive than an MBA and no work experience is required for joining this program. In terms of cost, the MIM program here is priced at 49,300 euros. Established in 1907 and qualifying as one of the France's most selective business school, ESSEC Business School is next on the list. The ESSEC Masters in Management combines the best of a prestigious French Grande École program with unique exposure to international experiences. Coming to the interesting part, students get to learn a variety of subjects like business economics, marketing management, and organizational theory and behavior. Apart from this, students are required to complete 18 months of professional experience, and the estimated program cost here is 46,000 euros. ESSEC Business School offers a 1-year full-time MSc in International Management program and is another great option to consider. Let's deep dive and look at how the program here is structured. Students get to learn a variety of courses which includes financial markets, corporate finance, digital transformation, economics, and global environment. Additionally, students are tasked with various challenges faced by companies, which includes analyzing problem and offering solutions, hence preparing them for the real world. If you look at the cost, then the estimated cost for the program ranges between 33,500 euros to 36,000 euros. IE Business School offers a 10-month MIM program designed for those having an entrepreneurial spirit and who want a career in the business world. The core courses here include digital business, sales and marketing, entrepreneurship, and international business. Apart from this, students get a chance to learn insights and techniques used in the real-world scenario. Let's look at the cost now. The program here is pegged at 43,300 euros. If you are looking for a course that focuses more on economics with business administration, the University of Copenhagen is next on the list. The MSc in Economics and Business Administration from this university offer few core courses like Financial Econometrics, Corporate Responsibility, and Leading Complex Organizations. The MSc in Economics and Business Administration here costs around 25,000 euros. Placed 5th worldwide in 2022 by Financial Times Master in Management rankings, the ESCP Europe Business School France is another great option to look for. MIM program from ESCP Europe Business School is a 2-year full-time degree. The first year is solely dedicated to core courses and electives, whereas in the second year, students are required to select 2 specializations and write a thesis on the same. To add more to the list, students are required to complete at least 39 weeks of internship for completing this program. Other perks include attending corporate workshops and conferences, making it a preferred choice. If we consider the cost of Master in Management program from ESCP, it is pegged at 49,200 euros. Point to remember: fee structure is dynamic in nature. Please check university's official website before applying. If you found this video helpful, then please like and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Shiksha Study Abroad channel for more such nuggets.